Hi, I'm Larry Carnahan with Meritus Capital. I created this channel to specifically bring awareness to the power of invoice factoring as a viable cash flow engine that empowers you, as the business owner, to scale as fast as you want with zero interruptions in your revenue cycles. You see, most businesses don't fail because they aren't profitable. They struggle because cash shows up later than the work. That timing gap is where growth either compounds or breaks. I work with staffing agencies every day, and I genuinely love the staffing model. Weekly payroll, delayed receivables, fast growth. It exposes cash flow truth quickly. Staffing makes the pattern obvious. But that same pattern exists far beyond staffing. I also fund manufacturing and distribution companies, service-based businesses, companies that are scaling faster than their balance sheet can naturally support. Here's the question I like to ask, half serious, half silly. Would it mean anything to you if every time you invoiced your customer, they paid you the same day? For many businesses, that single shift changes everything. Hiring, inventory, expansion, negotiating power, sleep. Invoice funding, done correctly, isn't a last resort. It's a cash flow engine that big and small companies around the world use to operate with certainty instead of hope. This channel is about understanding those mechanics, how timing really works, where risk hides, and how disciplined funding can turn growth from stressful into sustainable. If you believe scaling a business requires more than optimism and that cash flow deserves engineering, not guessing, you're in the right place.